Alright, now, this one. This one is a DeVilbiss, something like that, Air Power. Right, made in the US of A, it says right there. There's their phone number. You don't believe me, call them up. Yeah, made in the USA. This thing is cheap, right? They work alright, I guess they do what they need to do, but the tank is way too big for the little tiny compressor motor. See? That's it. That's the whole compressor motor right there. Look at this one. That holds 30 gallons. Look, 30 gallons. Right? Where is it? Right here. That's what it says. Right? 5 horsepower, 30 gallon air compressor. 30 gallon tank. Look at that. Look at that motor. This one over here, between two tanks, is only 8 gallons. Look at that compressor motor. Right? Wow, huh? Anyways. But it's got a big ass motor on it. It's got a two-phase super cooler motor on it. This thing fucking rips, made in China, right? But it's got good stamps. It's a little cheesy, right? It's really cheesy. But it's got good things. You see how loose it is right there, right? This is aluminum, right? This is aluminum, big, little, right? And it's got a good valve. You've seen all that stuff. This is pretty good. This one you pop it up to adjust it, push it back down to lock it. It's only got one outlet for one hose at a time, right? On/off switch, right? See. Now there's this little button right here. See where my finger is? When you turn the switch, it's supposed to pop like that. So the switch worked good. The switch works right. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it just won't light. But I'm thinking that it has something to do with the reset button back here. Maybe it's stuck or something because it doesn't really work right. Listen. Alright, but anyways, it won't light. It won't go. It's got fits their little gauges. Right? They're plastic. All that stuff. It's got good wheels, good solid frame. It's one of them ones that pivots. It's missing a bolt right here. Right, so it's not supposed to pivot like this. It's supposed to be solid, but it's easy to carry, easy to roll around. Right, dragged it out of there yesterday. Right, I mean there's probably like around Harbor Freight Special, as this is. When you take your guess, 20 to 100 bucks. Right, comes with this plastic cover that fits over the top of the, fits over the top of the thing. Big deal. Right. There's 30 gallons, 5 horsepower, right? 8.8 SCFM at 40 psi. 6.9 SCFM at 90 psi. Maximum RPM for the motor is 3450. Right? Max pressure is 125. Warning, don't do this, don't do that. Gonna kill your ass. Use your fucking eye protection. Right? Don't plug it into a bad plug. Right? There it is. I mean, Chinesian. But it says it's made in the USA. I don't ever remember us making anything this fucking Tuesday. It's me, Brian. Right? Save your money. Buy a good one. Thank you.